Hey y'all, Happy New Year, Vlad here, and we're going to start off the new year with one of the greatest values in tech, and that's the all-new Wyze Cam V3. The camera has been completely redesigned and it looks great, and it even has a smaller footprint this year, but the biggest change is that now the camera is rated for both indoor and outdoor use. Now, a lot of Wyze users have been using the earlier Wyze cams outdoors anyways, either as is, or they'll use like a third-party conversion kit or outdoor housing kit, but it's nice to know that Wyze included some IP65 weatherproofing for this wired camera. That said, the power wire is split into two pieces. One piece is small and fixed to the camera for weather sealing with a covered female micro USB end, while the other piece is a standard micro USB cable that plugs into the included brick. Now, even though this setup looks like a first-gen Xbox controller, this is actually a good thing, because if you have any hard or far-to-reach areas on your property, you can supply your own longer micro USB cable so that it can reach there. The camera quality is 1080p HD, and it has night vision in color, which is also another new feature. It's got two-way audio, so you can talk to the other side and vice versa, and it also has a built-in security siren. While I've had it, I've only been able to activate the siren manually, so I would have to go into the app, load up the camera, and then tap the siren button. I wasn't able to find a way to have an automatic trigger set off the siren. Maybe I did something wrong, maybe it's something that's going to be available in the future, but it's something that you have to do manually. It is nice and loud though. The camera records 12-second motion clips with a 5-minute cooldown for free and stores them in the cloud, or you can record 24/7 with the included micro SD card slot. You provide your own micro SD card, and then you can go for as long as it can record. It overwrites at the last point when it gets full. You could add person detection and full motion clips and upload them to the cloud with their Wyze Cam Plus subscription. It's $199 a month per camera. Even without the subscription, this camera is $19.99, and this is one of the most affordable ways to secure your home or property. My other favorite thing about Wyze, besides the price and value, is that they're an independent company, which means they're not owned by Google, they're not owned by Amazon, which means you're not locked into any ecosystem, and their products are compatible with both Google Home and Amazon Alexa. So you can watch your feeds from a Google Smart Display, from an Echo Show, or a Fire TV. It's pretty awesome. Now, I noticed they also removed the full-size USB port off the back of the camera, which was used for the Wyze sensor bridge and sensor kit. This is likely pointing to Wyze creating a brand new sensor kit, but we're just gonna have to wait and see. Thanks for checking out this video. My affiliate links are in the description. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Later.